G'day guys, welcome to Cap Industries. My name is Russell and this is the installation video for a SsangYong Musso fire extinguisher mount made by us here at Cap Industries. We've developed this bracket so that it utilises the factory transmission tunnel bolts. There's a couple of bolts you'll see on the transmission tunnel and it mounts the extinguisher right there. So it's nice out of the way of your legs. It looks really good inside the vehicle and it's super secure, so it's really nice and safe. Let's go install it now. The tools required to install the fire extinguisher mount is just your ratchet, a little extension, a 12mm socket and a 10mm socket, and just a couple of 8mm spanners. We've designed the bracket to sit here on the transmission tunnel. So what you need to do is get this little panel and remove it first. All you do, you just slip your fingers under and pop it towards yourself. Pop it like that. And then it just slides out. As you can see at this end, there's a little hook that attaches on this little spot there. Then that gives you access just to remove this little 10mm bolt, and then gives you access to these two bolts here, which is what the bracket utilizes. Then it just lifts the panel up a little bit. You don't have to completely take it all the way out. You just need to have it a little bit flexible. Then get your 12mm socket and undo these two bolts. Can be a little bit difficult, but you can get it. And there's that bolt out. The next step is install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. And as you can see, the bracket has a lot of slots and these two M5 nuts and bolts that you can install any metal fire extinguisher cage onto. This is the one that we're installing today. It's our 1 kilogram single latch extinguisher. As you can see, it has a nice metal latch and also a little locking pin. So we'll attach this one onto our bracket. And tighten them up with the two 8mm spanners. There you go, it's all attached. Now it's time to slip the bracket in and put those two factory bolts back in to attach it all. Okay, so just to get that first bolt in, because it's a little bit difficult, just use yourself a little Phillips head and get it in hand tight first. Takes a little bit to get going, but once you're in, straight in. Don't do it all the way up until you get your second bolt in. Then finish it off with your spanner and socket. Then put your 10mm socket back on and put that other bolt back in. Then this little plastic piece clips back in just by sliding in on that front clip and then pressing in. Just like that. Then the extinguisher just clips into its cage. And the safety pin back in. There we go. This little safety pin can be a little bit annoying with the rattling. So what I often do is just get a little bit of electrical tape just over that, just to take that rattle away. But as you can see, the extinguisher is held in very firm It's nice out the way. It's not interfering with your feet. When you're sitting in the car, your feet sort of sit here and here. So it's out of the way, but it's a really nice position to be able to to store your fire extinguisher, to be able to use on your vehicle if you ever need it. All right, well, as you can see, the fire extinguisher is all now fully installed. It looks great. It's not in the way of my feet here. You know, when I'm sitting in the car, my feet are naturally going to be here or up on the end. But getting access to the extinguisher, if I ever need it, is so easy. Just reach down, pull the clip, open it up, and pull it out. Then you've got instant access to your extinguisher if you need it. So thanks so much for watching this little video. If you have one of these cars, jump on the link below and grab one. But we've also got so many other brackets for heaps of different cars. So please keep an eye out on Cap Industries for any new developments that we're making. And then we'll get your car up there as soon as we can. Thanks so much.